Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 34, часть 2, страница 84-85, English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 44, part number 2, page number 84-85. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 84. 84. Grammarland. Future simple. Простое будущее время. I'll feed the dog. I hope it will not want rain. Will you help me, please? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Я покормлю собаку, надеюсь, дождя не будет. Ты мне поможешь, пожалуйста? Да, помогу. Нет, не помогу. Future simple. Будущее простое время. Полная форма. I will travel. Краткая форма. I'll travel. You will travel. Краткая форма. You'll travel. Отрицание. Полная форма. I will not travel. You will not travel. Краткая форма. I won't travel. You won't travel. Future simple используется, когда речь идет о будущих действиях. For example, I will buy a new coat. Я куплю новое пальто. Краткие ответы. Will we go to London? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Read and write will or won't. Number 1. It's John's birthday on Monday. He will be 18. Прочитай и напиши will или want. Number 1. The answer. В понедельник день рождения Джона. Ему будет 18. Number 2. She will probably travel to Africa next summer. She can't wait. Number 2. The answer. Она, возможно, поедет в Африку следующим летом. Она не может ждать. Number 3. Don't worry, it's only 2 o'clock. You won't be late. Number 3. The answer. Не волнуйся, сейчас только 2 часа. Ты не опоздаешь. Number 4. We won't take a taxi. Sally can take us in her car. Number 4. The answer. Мы не будем брать такси. Сэлли может взять нас в свою машину. Number 5. I won't come with you. I'll stay here. Number 5. The answer. Я не пойду с тобой. Я останусь здесь. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Look, ask and answer. Посмотри, спроси и ответь. Will he have a big house? Yes, he will. У него будет большой дом? Да. Number 1. Will he have a dog? No, he won't. Number 2. Will he wear glasses? No, he won't. Number 3. Will he have a beard and mustache? Yes, he will. Number 4. Will he ride a motorbike? No, he won't. Number 5. Will he have 2 children? Yes, he will. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Complete use he or he won't. Number 1. He'll have a big house. Закончите, используйте он будет или он не будет. Number 1, the answer. У него будет большой дом. Number 2. He won't wear glasses. Number 2, the answer. Он не будет носить очки. Number 3. He will have a beard and a mustache. Number 3, the answer. Он будет носить бороду и усы. Number 4. He won't ride a motorbike. Number 4, the answer. Он не будет кататься на мотоцикле. Number 5. He won't have a dog. Number 5, the answer. У него не будет собаки. Number 6. He will have 2 children. Number 6, the answer. У него будет 2 детей. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 85. 85. Exercise number 4. Read and put a tick or a cross. Then write. Прочитай и поставь галочку или крестик. Затем напиши. When I grow up, number 1. I will drive a car or I won't drive a car. Когда я вырасту, я буду водить машину. Number 2. I will be famous. Я стану знаменитым. Number 3. I will travel around the world. Я буду путешествовать по миру. Number 4. I won't have a beard and a mustache. У меня не будет бороды и усов. Number 5. I will live in a big city. Я буду жить в большом городе. Number 6. I won't have a lot of pets. У меня не будет много домашних питомцев. Exercise number 5. Who will do what? Listen and find out. Кто что будет делать? Послушай и узнай. The dialogue. Let's organize our picnic tonight. Michael, will you make a cake? Michael, yes, of course. Thanks, Michael. Robert, will you bring a CD player? Robert, sorry, my CD player isn't working. I'll buy the cola. Okay. Robert will buy the cola. But what about a CD player? Helen, it's okay. I'll bring a CD player. Thanks, Helen. Katie, will you bring a blanket, please? Katie, of course. Right, we seem to have everything. the task. Who will do what? The answer. Who will make a cake? Michael will. Michael will make a cake. Robert will buy the cola. Helen will bring a CD player. Katie will bring a blanket. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.